Good morning, traders. How y'all doing today? Hope you're all doing good. I'm definitely doing good. I did a few crazy trades. I didn't buy the top. 2 times in a row it went up there. I never fucking bought the top. No, sir, no, ma'am. And I never bought any dips either to take it back up. I was a seller today and did good again today. So I'm about 40. Let's see. I guess I'm at about 50 to 60% back. I got back from the big loss day the other day when they killed us, all of us. Yeah, I'm about 60% I got back of those losses, which is good. So anyway, we're looking at the mess up here, the mess, which is what I call the mess, the S&P. So my first trade, actually when the price was up here, but because I don't trade like this, I wanted to sell it up here because I knew, I went and I looked right here is the high of that day that they killed us. And you bet your little booties they're going to sell from there exactly to the fucking tick. That's how crazy this is. That's how much you need to pay attention to go and look and see or put a line there or whatever. But that's the fucking high of that disastrous day the other day where they took it right up and then they rammed it right down here through the lows and took it lower. That's the day, I lost half my account. But anyway, so today, when it started crashing back down, I didn't do any of this trades in here because I didn't want to buy near the top. I want to sell. That's the correct way of doing it. And I went on and on about it yesterday. Yeah. So hold on. Let me just show you here. One sec. Shut that off. Here's gold. Let's look at gold first, because that's where I did my first trade today. I did a trade in here. I fucking sold it. And here, I had about 70 ticks profit right here. Do you think I fucking took it? No. Of course I didn't. And I was short because we had higher highs. See, right here. Actually, this one needs, this one needs to be drawn over here. That little blue doodah, if you can see it. So anyway, I didn't take the profit. Then it went back up, and it was just before the news. I said, "Oh God!" And it looked like it was gonna go up. Like my winner was gonna turn into a loser. So I got out right here, and I got out with $5 or some stupid shit, enough to cover the fees. Yeah, enough to cover the fees. So anyway, and sure enough, I don't know if God was watching me or Jesus or even all the little angels. I don't know. But it was a good thing I closed the fucking trade right there because look what happened on the news, man. It fucking shot up. This is gold we're looking at, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I never did any other trades up here. I said, no, I'm not buying the top up here. They could take it down. See, like, what if I bought it right here and it didn't go up, and this was the next candle, this big fucking red candle, and it just went way down here? It would have killed my whole account today. It would have killed it. That's why I said, no fucking way am I going to try and buy a dip up here because it's just looking for trouble. So anyway, that's the trade I did here. I made no fucking absolutely nothing on it. Okay? Then you can see where I did these trades. When it was up here, like I said, I wanted to sell it, but I didn't. And then when it crashed way down here, I said, wow, look at this rally up and look at this huge candle down. Maybe they're going to take it right back down here again. And look, they're doing it right now. Oh, you fookers. Look, see, they're doing, look, see, they're doing it right now. And that was a trade, by the way. It was a hook down right here. Okay, so anyway, let me finish what I was going on about. So I sold it here, and quickly I took the profit here. I took it right here. Was something telling me to take it right there? No, I just, you know, a bird in the hand is a bird in the bush, right? So I said, look at them, look at them right down to the pivot, just fucking killing them. They trap longs up here, man. They trap them good. I'm not laughing at anybody who bought it up there, but I do tell you every day, you don't buy at the top, you don't sell at the bottom. Yes, sometimes it works. Sometimes. But more often than not, it does not work. Professional traders, support and resistance traders, that is, they buy off of support and they sell off of resistance. And I know I'm kind of like sounding snarly and whatever right now. Please don't take me in that way. I just like to express it out so you guys, you know, you hear me, and hopefully you'll remember that next time you're you know, something's itching in the back of your neck saying sell when you shouldn't be doing anything, right? Because as I told you, you don't want to sell from the top. You want to sell from near the top. Okay. So anyway, I took my little profit there, and then we came back up, and I said, "Oh, you motherfucker! Look at that, to the tick, double top, to the fucking tick." I said, "I bet you they're gonna do like the other day, and they're gonna fucking sell it way down here." And they did it, dude. They did it. Holy fuck, they did it. So anyway, here is the now let me take these entries and exits off, okay? So we can see the chart more clearly. So we go to data series, and we go to do not plot, apply, and okay, and all the doodahs are gone. So this is a 2-minute chart, okay? So as you know, okay, we had a perfect to the tick double fucking top right there. So I seen that double top, and I said, oh yeah, and I sold. I sold right in here. You saw it. And I got out like just a couple ticks before that low. Okay? So that was a winner. Chicken dinner, right? Right. So anyway, hold on. Right here, check this out. Check this out. It's right here. We had, let me make it bigger so you can see it. Excuse me, I had to do something there. I look at this chart and I just laugh. It's trickery. It's trickery. Look at the trick. They tricked the people. They tricked them to buy it up here, and now they're fucking killing them. They're slaughtering them right now. So anyway, we had a rally up and a close above the both moving averages, right? A buy fake. And then we wait for the next candle. So usually the best ones are the next candle will come right back down and close below the 2 moving averages. And it didn't cross yet. It didn't cross up the 5. So you would have sold right there where the thing is, and it was a winner. It was a real big winner. 0 drawdown, ladies and gentlemen. 0. Okay, 128 points right there. And that's on the S&P, ladies and gentlemen. I can imagine how much it is on the NASDAQ. So anyway, there's the second trade. It's a hook down. Oh, I forgot the arrow here. Hold on. Right here from the double top divergence. Okay, here's the double top. Here's the divergence. You know, it's incredible how the higher highs and double tops and lower lows and double bottoms work and work over and over again. It's just mind blowing. It's mind blowing, man. It's fucking mind blowing. See, and now what is it gonna do down here? It's gonna fucking go sideways and do what I call a side winder. It's gonna wind sideways, ding, 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 like this. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen with that. Okay, so that is the S&P. I guess we could go. It's Friday. I got to give your money's worth. Let's look at the NASDAQ now. The MNQ. The move must be bigger. Oh yeah, the move is huge. The move is fucking huge. Holy fuck! Look at this. Look at this. 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, over 5 fucking 100 points. Wow, is this market hopping, eh? It's just a hopping. Okay, let me show you all the setups. Here is the double top. Just like on the S&P, same deal, except it's the NASDAQ, and it's a bigger move. Much bigger move. See right here? Oh, come back up here, you little booger. Right there. Okay, there's the double top. There's the divergence. See how it's pointing down on the OSMA? That means the price is going to go down. You just got to wait for the rest of the setup. And here's the rest of the setup, where the price closes down here, and the 5 crosses back down below the 7. See, the 5 is the white dash line, and the 7 is the pink line. So all you had to do is sell right in here, and fucking down it went. Oh yeah, down it went, ladies and gentlemen. So you'd have sold somewhere in there, and your max profit potential is 886 ticks. Some people call them points. I call them ticks. Sometimes I call them points. Whatever the fuck they are. And look right here. It just rallied back up 150 in the last like 5 minutes. From here, right back up to here. Crazy, huh? Oh, yeah. So, and we had the same hook down, okay? We had that same hook down setup, which was right here. Or actually, no, this is not a hook down. This is a higher close, sell it, and down it goes, okay? Just like we forgot this trade on the way up. Let me show you that one. We got a lower close right there. Buy it on the opening of the next candle. You would have had drawdown, like about 50 something points or ticks drawdown. But look, within 6 minutes or 8 minutes, it rallied right the fuck back up. Okay? Yeah, that's it. That's all the trades for the NASDAQ. Yesterday I forgot some I forgot some trades. I would like to go back and show you. I'm just trying to remember, what was it on? Was it on, I don't know. What do I want to put an arrow on this for? I don't know either. Anyway, let's take a quick look at this yesterday, okay? I miss so many trades all the time when I'm sitting here blabbering on to you guys, and I don't mean to. It was either, I think it was oil. It was oil. But let's go look here to see what I missed. 2-minute chart. No, it was oil, ladies and gentlemen. It was oil. Okay. Let me show you oil, okay? That's over here, isn't it? All right, put that back there. Oh, look at that. It's gone up 200 points now from the low. 100, we count the blue lines. From this blue line to this blue line is 100 and another 100. Right back to the main pivot of the day. Look at that. Back up 200 fucking points, man, in just like 6 or 7 minutes. This market is wild. It's just a hopping crazy. Okay, let me get the oil. Yeah, oil didn't do fucking anything good today. The other markets were just, taking off like rocket ships, and oil didn't do nothing. But, excuse me, let me show you the trade I missed. It was just bothering me. Let me just make that a little bigger so it kind of looked like yesterday. Okay, so remember yesterday I was saying, I was surprised. Oh, it was right here. I was surprised there was no hidden divergence here yesterday. Remember I was saying that on the oil? Well, there was a trade. It was a hookup. See, we had the sell fake with this candle, and then the candle right back up. And right here on the opening, it's the same entry as I described it as the 5 crossing up above the 7. But there was a hookup, and the hookup was right here. And it was good, and it went up. And here's another one, even right here. There's no hidden divergence, but if you bought it here, lower close, buy it here, buy it, and up it goes. It was good. Okay, it was good. There was goodness there. There, put it back to normal. Okay, so that's oil, and we covered both NASDAQ and the S&P. Okay, so now we're going to go look at MetaTrader, okay? Okay, here's MetaTrader. With my magic 25. Oh no, that's the 200. Yeah, either way, they're far out in fucking space. They don't help people, like, unless you're an end of day trader or a swing trader, yeah, you can put that stuff in your chart. But if you're day trading on the 5 minute or the 1 minute, those moving averages are not going to help you, ladies and gentlemen, whatsoever, in my opinion. Okay, in my opinion, everybody has their own ways, to trade and stuff, right? So, see right here, they took it back up to that, right to that high again, and eventually they'll break through here, it looks like. They're going to take it fucking higher. But, yeah, that's what happened today. But that was the day where they took it up and they rammed it right down. See, and now today they bought it right back up today. See how they do that? One day they'll buy it up big, like 500 points, and then the next day they'll sell it off 600 points, and then they'll buy it up, and then they'll go sideways. It's like the same behavior over and over and over again, and it's all made to manipulate and control you and make you believe the wrong thing in your mind and put you on the wrong side of the trade. They're tricking you. And they do it over and over again. It's like that's what's really crazy, is that they do the same shit over and over again, and most traders, 98%, don't catch on to it. Sometimes I don't catch on to it either. I don't go and look at this or look at that or whatever. I just try to trade the here and the now. That's what I try and do, But anyway, so there's the S&P, and look, it came right back up again. I'm so glad I took my profit in here. I did. So anyway, we looked at, let's see, the NASDAQ 5 minute. I don't think there's any trades. No, there isn't. It's on the 2 minute chart. Yeah, it's on the 2 minute chart. See, there's no trade here because this needs to be less than this over here. There's no trade up here. They're both going up. See, this one's going up. This is going up. There's no trade. There's no fucking trades. And there's no trades on the S&P either. It's the same fucking shit. It's just one big stop hunt. That's what it is. And that's what they do every fucking day. And another thing I just want to say, and I don't mean it ignorantly to anybody, if you try and trade all day like Superman, it's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. You gotta go in there, and the best time is between 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock right? It just ended 3 minutes ago. That's the time you're going to be at your freshest, and you're going to see that setup, and you're going to do it. And then if you win, hey, if you win good, you got to win good. If you're going for fucking like 5 ticks or 6 ticks, you're not going to make too much money. You know what I'm saying? You got to go for more than that. You got to go for like 25, probably minimum 50, even up to 100. Like, I'm sure I made, yeah, I made 110 points today. That's what I made. I'm just looking at my account. Anyway, I know it's difficult to get 5 ticks even sometimes. I know, I understand. But anyway, so there's the S&P and the Dow, same shit. There's no fucking trade there. Unless you go trade on the 1 minute on MetaTrader. Come on, refresh. There it is. And here's the 1 minute. There was some trades here, see? See how far down you got to scale it? Because, so you put it on a 1 minute chart. How is the 50 and the 200 SMA going to help you? It's not going to help you. It's going to run right through all of this. It doesn't mean jack shit. It's useless. Can you see what I'm saying? Yeah. You run any moving averages that are like an inch away from your, you know, from your current price on the chart is no good. You need something real close, within a 1/4 inch like mine. See how it's basically a 1/4 inch gap between the two moving averages, between all of it, because you want it to be, because you want to see the setup and it's going to occur, and you want to try and get in, you know, just as it's starting. You don't want to go, oh, I'm going to wait for it to break the 50 way up here, you know, then you're going to get in. That's not good. You're going to be buying the fucking top. You know what I mean? Anyway, I see so many people use moving averages, and they use these far away from the price moving averages, and they don't tell you anything. They don't tell me anything anyway. Okay, so that was, oh yeah, here it is. So there's the trade. You would have sold in here. This is the Dow. This is the 1 minute. You would have sold right there, and yeah. It went down pretty good, 176 points. I think it's safer to trade the Dow now than the fucking NASDAQ and S&P. Especially the S&P. It used to be so calm. It's not calm now. It's a hopping. It's a hopping. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar. Oh yeah, straight up, a parabolic move. Here we go. Yeah, and there was fucking divergence. Look. See it right there? Ding ding. Yeah, baby. Double bottom. Ding ding. Buy it right here. See? And that was exactly at 10 o'clock, right when the news struck. Yeah, it went up 60 points. 90 points to the top. Okay. So the only trade I would have done here would be after the news, and it would be right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. So how many pips were you good for there? 35 pips. Okay, cool. And the euro, same exact trade. See that? See that fucking shit? Same fucking trade, man. There's no point in marking it. Look. See? Pound, euro. Same fucking trades. How can that be? How? I'll tell you how. It's not random. That's all I'm going to tell you. The market is not random. Too funny. Pound yen, what did it do? Oh, well, we had a double bottom, yeah. If you were trading at this time, the entry was at 3 o'clock in the freaking morning. Yeah, 3 o'clock in the morning, right there. It would have got in. It went up 85 pips on the pound yen. Cool. Pound yen was good. Was a good boy. Euro yen, same thing, same thing. Double bottom wicks. See, and this one way smaller than this one. It just totally qualifies for the trade. Okay, double bottom. Take it from right here to right here. Beautiful thing. Just like a Harvey's hamburger up here in Canada. A little salty, but still good. I can't eat them anymore. I used to eat so many Harvey's hamburgers. They're so good. It's like barbecue, man. They're like I think I told you before, they're way better than Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, and whatever else there is out there. Harvey's is the best in Canada for that. But they put a ton of salt in it. I can't eat that salt. It makes me sick. Okay, so the stop loss always goes right here at the swing low. And as I've told you before, 8 times out of 10, it never comes back to your stop and it just goes in your favor. And it went up 43 points. And your stop was a little bit bigger. It was 37 points. Okay, but you could have reduced your stop up to here. So you would have had a 20 pip stop when price, was up here. Because you were safe by then. It's not going to swing back and come and get you down here. Okay? And we had another trade just not too long ago. We have higher highs. Right there, down to those blue doodads. I guess your entry point would be right here. On the higher close, sell it down it goes. Went down 27 pips on the euro yen. You would have done that trade. Okay, let's look at oil now. Yeah, oil. I already showed you oil on the 5-minute. It ain't doing shit today. It ain't doing jack shit. There was a trade. Okay, it was over here. There was one trade. Let me show you that one trade. Okay, it's hidden divergence to the upside. And yeah, right here. To right there. Yeah. Just let me finish it off with the arrow. Come on, give me the arrow. Right there. Okay? Don't let these lines confuse you. See it right here? Ding, ding. Yeah, and up it goes. And that trade was good for 72 ticks on oil. Oh, look, here's another one. I was looking for a trade on oil, and I didn't like what I saw on the chart or something. I don't fucking know. But I didn't like it. I didn't like it, so I didn't do it. Okay, right here. Other things interest me instead, like gold and the S&P. I very, very rarely trade NASDAQ anymore. It's too the moves are too big, and I don't want to lose that much, so I don't trade it. I trade the S&P. Okay, so there's the other move, and I just need to put the arrow on. Yeah, which would have been right in here. When the 5 crosses back up over the 7, that's when you'd get long. And it went up 44 ticks from there. And here is gold, wild gold. Look at that, and it's rallying back up again. You little bastards, eh? Oh, no more water. Oh, I'm almost done. I'll wait. So, I already explained all this to you. I did the sell here and made the, and then it came back up to where I got in, or almost to where I got in, and I got out with nothing. Yeah. I didn't make money on gold. I tried to. I was in the gold, and then it took off up. Fucking bastards. Okay, so that's it for all the markets that we cover. And now we'll take a quick look at the crypto, and we'll all be on our way. Bitcoin. Oh, it's sitting there. Looks like it wants to rally to new highs, to all-time new highs. And the XRP, yeah, it's staying up there. And then silver. Oh, silver's rallying up a bit with the gold, I guess. I guess the gold lit a little fire underneath silver's ass, because it's coming back up now a little bit with gold. And then we have Ethereum. Some people call it Ether. I call it Ethereum. Yeah, the Bitcoin Maxi coin. Yeah, like I said the other day, you will not catch me buying any Ethereum. I don't think I've ever bought any Ethereum. Oh, maybe I did to buy some other stupid little shit coin. I must have bought some before. I definitely bought Bitcoin before because it was the only way you could buy the other coins that you wanted to buy. You had to buy fucking Bitcoin first. That's no more. I'm really curious what's going to happen in the crypto market. I'm curious. Gotta wait and see. So anyway, once again, my name's Jason Sweezy. I specialize in divergence, mainly because it really works. And divergence usually happens after a higher high or a lower low or a double top or a double bottom. That's when the divergence occurs. After that. Why does it happen after that? Because usually the big boys, the big dogs, go after people's stops, and that's what creates the higher highs and the lower, all those things I just said. That's why it's so fucking powerful, ladies and gentlemen. The higher highs, the lower lows, the double tops, the double bottoms, they are ultimate power if you use them. Okay? So anyway, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. If you could please hit the like button, that would be good if you like my video. And, please subscribe. Nobody wants to subscribe. I'm going to cry now. Fucking stuck at, what is it? 1,094 fucking subscribers. And like 850 of them came from long time ago. From like, I started posting videos in 2010, yes. 2010 I started posting videos back then. And most of them came from then, because the next time I started, well, I did some videos here and there, I guess, through the years, but when I really seriously started doing videos again is with this. And yeah, so it's all good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you decide to trade this afternoon, the Power Hour, which is in a few hours from now, good luck and good trading.